Guys, I did it. I finally got my mic. Yay! So let's unbox my mic together. A few of you may have known that I recently started a podcast last year, and here is the big review. We've been using the Deity VO-7U mic. We actually got it on Amazon. That's the first one that we got, and we've been sharing. We got it on Amazon, and just down the line the price just skyrocketed from nowhere. But during this Black Friday I saw that the price went back to normal. You know how it is where like prices go up and then during Black Friday it's like the normal price, but you think it's a steal. But anyway, I got it for like the price that we got it when we got the first one, so I was really happy. Like when I saw it online, I just had to grab it. This mic is very good, I must say. I think you can hear from the quality as well. I don't know too much about mics, but we just went with this one and it's been great so far. Like the sound is amazing. It comes with two cords, USB-C to USB-C and USB, is it type B? I don't know. USB, your normal USB to type C as well. So if you have a laptop that uses normal USB or uses type C, you're covered. Like you don't need to get something extra, and setting it up is actually very easy. So I went for the one that's, you know, clamps on the table rather than the one that has like a small tripod leg stand type of thing. Because for me, I just want it to be very sturdy, so I prefer to clamp it on the table. And you can see me here, just literally just clamping it on the table. It's very easy. My table actually is kind of weird, so I had to like adjust it. But once you've put in that clamp, all you have to do is just literally take the boom arm and place it on top of the, I don't know what to call that cone looking thing on the table, but you literally just put it in and then use your preferred cord. Once you put the mic in, the mic also comes with the filter, so it helps with like the kind of output you get. And it also has like this, I guess, headset feature thing that you can use to increase or reduce the volume of when if you're wearing a headset, and the normal like volume of the mic itself. So the controls are on both sides of the mic, and then once you do that, all you have to just put in the cord, connect it to your laptop, and you're set. You're pretty much good to go. Like I was so happy I was able to get this mic. It's been on my mind throughout the year. Like since we started our podcast, I wanted my own separate mic, and I'm just glad I was able to get it. Like you can see the excitement here. Anyway, if you need the link, feel free to reach out and I can send you the link. And make sure you listen to our podcast. And yeah, see you later. Bye.